In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a discount or promo offer to a Grammarly subscription and everything you need to know about the process, as it's a bit different from the typical enter code checkouts you might be used to. Grammarly primarily uses promo links rather than relying on manually entered codes to apply discounts. This means the process can feel a little unique if you're used to the traditional promo code box. Now, if you're eligible for a special discount, such as one for students, educators, or even military personnel, you'll first need to go through a verification process, often facilitated by Sheer ID. Once you've completed this step, you'll receive a personalized promo link. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. Once you have your promo link, or you're sure you're eligible for a discount, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Grammarly account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for one. Be sure that you're on a desktop browser to make your purchase, as the App Store or Google Play often don't accept promotional links for in-app purchases. This distinction is crucial because trying to apply discounts via mobile app stores just won't work. Next, click on the special promo link you received, which might be from an email following your student status verification or directly from Grammarly's official site, where promotions are listed. Once you've clicked through, you'll be directed to Grammarly's pricing or upgrade page. Here, you'll have the option to choose between different plans, such as a monthly or annual subscription. Right here is where you should see the discounted price appear. It's laid out for you, making it clear exactly how much you'll be saving. At this point, proceed to checkout. This involves filling in your payment details to confirm your subscription. It's straightforward, and once you've completed the payment, you'll enjoy your first term at the discounted rate. Keep in mind that this special price usually only applies to your initial subscription period. When it's time for renewal, your subscription will revert to Grammarly's standard pricing unless you have another discount offer ready to apply. A quick note, if you already have a paid Grammarly subscription and want to switch to a discounted one, it's best to reach out to Grammarly's support team first. Applying a new promo link might require canceling your current plan and resubscribing by using your special link. By consulting with support, you can ensure a smooth transition process without any unexpected interruptions to your service. That wraps up our guide on applying promotions to a Grammarly subscription. Hopefully this helps you take advantage of any special offers available while understanding how Grammarly's unique system works.